Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Going Guitar. We have Preston Pablo here, deserves some attention, and he has this dance song with the very fitting name called Dance Alone. Alright, so this one is with a capo set on the 6th fret, high up there, because we want to have sound matching, but also combined with easy chords, of course. So, capo on 6, let's go through the chords. A minor, F, C, and G, that's what we're going to work with. So that is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. That is your A minor. The next chord, the F, is a bar chord, so you place the bar on the 1st fret and you bar all strings there. Then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. We have C next. So that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And finally we have the G. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. So with that we have one string pattern that goes from the beginning till the very end, and it goes like this. Alright? So that is down, down, up, up, clap. So down, down, up, clap. All right, so one string around per chord gives. Alright, so you're going to play like that from the beginning till the very end. If you speed up a little bit, it will sound. So good luck with this one, guys. Dance Alone. Play tune.